Welcome to the Elementiam channel. In this introductory video, we'll explore the basics of the Elementiam software and guide you through the layout and organization of its user interface. Elementiam is divided into three main features: dimensional, surfacing, and cladding. Each mode requires varying amounts of prior information, including meshes and scans. Throughout this series of tutorial videos, we'll dive into each feature to help you understand how they work and how to make the most of them. Let's jump in. First, let's add a model to Elementiam. To do this, go to File and select Import Mesh. Elementiam can work with three types of models or components: point clouds, meshes, and paths. Now that the model has been imported, we can start working with the different features of Elementiam. The Elementiam user interface is divided into three main panels. Top ribbon. This panel contains the main tools and options for working with the software. Side panel. Here you'll find additional settings and options for refining your work. Model viewer. This is where you can see and interact with the imported model, including the name of the mesh we just imported. Depending on the model type, point cloud, mesh, or path, the color of the name displayed in the model viewer changes: pink for meshes, green for point clouds, yellow for paths. The top ribbon includes 8 menus. Edit menu allows you to undo or redo previous actions. The unselect and delete functions are used to manage selected point clouds. To select points within a point cloud, hold down Control and drag the mouse over the desired area. Selected points will be highlighted in red. Scan menu enables you to connect and trigger a paired 3D scanner. Please refer to our dedicated video on connecting and calibrating a 3D scanner for detailed instructions. Tool window provides the ability to create tools that will compute machining paths for various machining and surfacing operations. Whiteboard menu opens an independent window where you can create simple tool paths for tasks such as surfacing, overlay, and pocketing. The goal of the whiteboard is to provide a straightforward interface for generating basic paths, which can then be projected onto non-planar surfaces for complex robotic and CNC path planning based on 3D scans. Mesh operation menu, a comprehensive toolbox for working with meshes, point clouds, and paths across various applications. Please see the tutorial on mesh operations for more details. G-code window, an on-demand interface for controlling CNC machines via Elementiam, enabling automated scanning, printing, and/or machining. In this setup, the installed firmware is GRBL. License menu, used to deactivate the Elementiam license when needed. Now that we've quickly covered the top ribbon, let's take a look at the side panel and model viewer. Below the model viewer, you'll see 8 buttons used for rendering. V stands for visualization, toggling the visibility of the selected model. T makes the model transparent, allowing you to see through it. N toggles the normal vector field, displaying the orientation associated with each point as a vector of norm 1. W displays the wireframe, showing the triangles when used on a mesh. B toggles the bounding box associated with the selected model. C centers the camera on the selected mesh. X deletes the selected mesh. That's all for this introduction video. If you have any additional comments or questions, feel free to reach out at info@elementiam.ca or leave a comment below.